Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular series of video where we are creating video for all the state counseling process, and in single video we are covering all the details for each state. So in this particular series, in this video we are covering Maharashtra state counseling, all information in single video, and it's our firm belief that once you watch this video starting from start to end, you will feel there is no need to watch any other video for some other details, and it will cover all the details that you can see on in the screen. That is registration fee and website where you need to register once the counseling process starts. Total number of candidates that appeared last year, and out of them how many got qualified. So qualification percentage in Maharashtra. A total number of MD MS seats as of now, and recognized seat and as well as permitted seat. Seat distribution, how many seats goes to which quota, and in private colleges how many seats are under that state CET cell quota, institutional quota and NRI quota. That distribution we will know. Type of seat in private colleges, government colleges list, complete list of government colleges in Maharashtra where you can get admission through a state counseling process. There are central government hospital as well, there you can get admission through MCC counseling. We will know the private college list, and there is a specific thing that choice filling and upgradation system is specific into Maharashtra state. So what you need to take care when you go for the choice filling. Seat increment analysis, in last few years how many seats got incremented in particular branch in government colleges, that will know branch wise. NEET PG 2020 cutoff for private colleges for higher clinical and lower clinical. Marks required for government colleges, marks required to get admission to private colleges, and Maharashtra is a closed state, so nobody can participate other than Maharashtra. Minority college tuition fee for government college and private college for all the categories, state state CET quota cell, and institution quota and NRI quota. Stipend and bond, category reservation for all the categories, what is the reservation, and the document required, mandatory document required for registration process when the counseling starts. So, and before we start the video for each and every topic, you can subscribe the channel because it's one of the best platform for NEET PG 2021, all the information starting from examination to counseling and everything. In the description we have given link for Telegram group, you can join it. There are link given for ebook for open state DNB, deemed universities, and all such things, which has all the information, last year cutoff, tuition fee, number of seat, stipend, bond, and all the details. Now let's get started. Starting from the registration fee. If you are from Maharashtra state and you have done UG from Maharashtra, you have done UG from Maharashtra state, MBBS from Maharashtra, then you are eligible to participate in Maharashtra state counseling process in order to get a seat into government colleges, that is pure government colleges, or semi-government colleges, that is government seat of private college, or institutional quota or NRI quota. Okay, so the registration fee is around 4,000 for all the categories. It's non-refundable, and the payment you need to make in online mode. The website you need to visit is https://info.mahacet.org. Total number of candidates appeared last year was 17,208. As per number of candidates, it is second most in India. Most number of applications come from Tamil Nadu state and then Maharashtra state. Out of total candidate appeared last year, 8,832 got qualified. That is a huge number. And in terms of percentage, out of 2, 1 candidate are getting qualified. That is 51% of qualifying rate. That is third most in terms of number in India. Type of colleges is pure government colleges, private college, minority college. In India, if we see as of now, the number of MSMD seats are totally 37,288, excluding diploma and all. So is MSMD seats. It can increase because as you see this, as you watch this video, later point of time, definitely the number can be more. And total number of seats in Maharashtra for MS and MD courses is 4,565. Talking about MS seat, totally 1,571 seats are there. Out of it, 149 are permitted and 1,422 are recognized. In MD seats, 2,994 are there, 325 are permitted and 2,669 are recognized. So these are total number of seats, including government, private colleges, including all India quota, state quota, all the things. So now talk about the distribution, how the seats are distributed. Talking about government colleges, 50% of the seats are given to all India quota, that is where MCI conducts the counseling process, and remaining 50% is for state quota, where state government, Maharashtra state government conducts the counseling process to get admission in those remaining 50%. And 50% seats of PG diploma seats in a state quota, 50% seats is reserved for in-service candidate who have service experience of 3 or more years in rural or corporate or some areas in Maharashtra. Talking about private colleges, 50% of total seats of private colleges. When I say private college, is not deemed, excluding deemed universities. And when I say government college, is excluding central government medical colleges. So 50% of the seat in private medical colleges are under a state CET cell quota, where the tuition fee is much lesser, starting from 8 lakhs to 13-14 lakhs. In institutional quota, remaining 35% seats goes, and in NRI quota, maximum 15% seats are given for NRI quota. Now, type of seat in private colleges. So 3 types of seats in private colleges. Government college, you know, there is one type of seat and tuition fee is same. So the classification of seat in private colleges in 3 categories based on the tuition fee. The first is state CET cell quota, that is also semi-government seat. There the tuition fee is around 8 to 14 lakhs. Second is institutional quota seat. There the tuition fee is 3 times of the normal tuition fee for the private college. And third is NRI quota, where the tuition fee is 4 times of normal tuition fee. So that's difference. And based on your rank, you happen to get seat either through state, either in a state CET cell quota or institutional quota or NRI quota. Now talking about the complete government and corporation colleges list. So Grant Government Medical College, Baikula, Mumbai is government college. Seth GS Medical College, Parel, Mumbai is corporate college, corporate medical college. Lokmanya Tilak Medical College, Mumbai is again corporation college. Topiwala National Medical College, Mumbai, again corporate medical college. BJ Government Medical College, Pune is government college. Dr. VM Government Medical College, Solapur. Government Medical College, Miraj, Government Medical College, Nagpur. Indira Gandhi Government Medical College, Nagpur. Sri Vasant Rao Nayak Government Medical College, Akola. Government Medical College, Aurangabad. Sri Shankar Rao Chavan Government Medical College, Nanded. Swami Ramanand Tirth Rural Medical College, Government Medical College, Latur. And there is one more medical colleges, Balasaheb Thackeray Medical College and Dr. R.N. Cooper Municipal General Hospital, Juhu, Mumbai, that is corporate college. And Sri Bhausaheb Higher Government Medical College, Dhule, that is also called VH Dhule Government Medical College. Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Science, Sevagram, Wardha. Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation, Pune. Rajiv Gandhi Medical College, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Hospital, Thane. Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. And All India Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, Haji Ali, Mumbai. Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. ESI PGI MSR Hospital, Andheri, Mumbai. So these four are central government medical colleges where you can get admission into through MCC counseling process, not through Maharashtra state counseling process. Now we'll see the list of private colleges. Bombay Hospital, see the all list of government and private medical college. You need to know which one you should put in on top and which one on bottom, and in which order you should arrange all the colleges at the time of choice filling based on the branch. For this kind of information, you can avail our paid services. We will give you the list for which branch, which college is on which rank. So Bombay Hospital, Institute of Medical Science, Mumbai; Shanchedi Institute of Orthopedics Rehabilitation, Pune; Sanjeevan Medical Foundation, ENT Postgraduate Institute, Miraj; Postgraduate Institute of Swasthyog, Miraj; KJ Somia Medical College, Mumbai; Kashi Bhai Navale Medical College, General Hospital, Pune; MER Talegaon General Hospital, Pune; Maharashtra Institute of Medical Science and Research Medical College, Latur; Terna Medical College, NDMVP Medical College, ACPM Medical College, Dhule; Padam Shri Dr. Vittal Rao Vikhe Patil Foundation Medical College, Ahmednagar; NKP Savale Institute of Medical Science, Dr. Punjab Rao Alice Saheb Deshmukh Memorial Medical College, and Dr. Ulas Patil MM Patel Public Charitable Trust, Ashwin Rural Medical College, Hospital and Research Center; BKL Baba Balkar Rural Medical College, SMBT Institute of Medical Science, Nasik; JIU Indian Institute of Medical Science and Research at Vardi Post. So the last one is minority college, Muslim minority college. Now coming about the very specific point that is specific to Maharashtra state counseling only, choice filling. The choice preference, you get option to fill first time only, and there is one time registration. You don't get a chance to register in the second round, third round or further rounds. First time registration and one time choice filling. So these two you need to take care. You need to have in mind. For other states, you happen to get choice filling multiple times. So once you do the choice filling, you can't change it. So make a proper choice. Whichever college you prefer, based on location, based on quality, based on all other factors, you need to put in particular order because you can't change. Once you are allotted a seat, automatically in next round you get the upgradation done. In case you want the seat to be fixed and you don't want to go for upgradation so that you don't lose that seat and get some other one, then you need to fill a retention form that will be given to you, and once you fill the retention form, then it will stop the auto upgradation. So that's important for Maharashtra state counseling process. Now we'll know the seat increment for few branches in government colleges. So for radio, 4 seats got incremented from 2019 to 2020, and total it was 61, and we could see increment in the seat. So now it will be 61 plus. In Dharma, 5 seats got incremented. For medicine, 8 seats got incremented. OBG got 14 more seats. Pedia 6 more. Ortho got 7 less seats because they might have reduced the seat or removed the seat due to it couldn't get converted into recognized from permitted. TB and chest got 2 more seats. It's just for government colleges, not for private colleges. And this year also we are expecting and to get more seats. Some more seats are already added. In other video I have given you the application which were requested by all the colleges in India to increase the seat for particular branch or to start a new branch for PG course in particular college. In 2018 we have got out of 50% state quota seat, 50% all India quota seat given to MCI. Out of 50%, 347 seats got returned after the second round of counseling process conducted by MCI. 347 seats got returned to Maharashtra State Counseling, including clinical and non-clinical. In 2019, 320 seat got returned. In 2020, around 35 seat got returned. So these seats will further get added in subsequent round of counseling for state government. So you can expect in 2021 around 300 to 400 seats will return. So total number of seats plus these many seats will get added in the further rounds. So it will also play a critical role in case you don't get particular college in particular round through state quota counseling. You might get that college because seat will get added after second round of counseling of MCI is done, and the remaining vacancies will get returned to Maharashtra State Counseling. So this is also a factor that that will play a role to get a particular seat through state quota counseling in lower rank as well. Now NEET PG 2020 cutoff for private colleges for semi-government seat, that is a state CET quota seat where the tuition fee is less, 8 lakhs to 14 lakhs. So there is a competition that goes on when you go into the counseling process. The tuition fee for Karnataka State Counseling is around 11.5, and for few of the colleges in Maharashtra the tuition fee is lesser than 11.5. So the candidate who has done MBBS from Maharashtra, they apply for both the states, Karnataka and Maharashtra. So they choose the best one in terms of tuition fee, where they need to pay less tuition fee and the college quality is also good depending on the location. So you need to have that mindset as well when you go for the counseling process. There are two options where the tuition fee is low. If you are getting a college in 8 lakhs in Maharashtra and the college quality is so good, then you don't need to go for Karnataka. And in order, see, the cutoff is high because the number of candidates in Maharashtra is more, the number of colleges is more, but the cutoff is higher. If you are expecting to get a higher clinical seat in private college, in semi-government seat in private college, then you need to have a rank between 5,000 to 15,000. Then you can expect to get orthopedia, medicine, obs-gynae, dermatology, radiology, these branches. For lower clinical, you need to have between 10,000 to 35,000 rank to get a semi-government seat in private college in Maharashtra. So as per last year, this year this will have a positive shift, couple of thousands or like up to 5,000, because the number of seats got incremented and new courses launched, NBE, diploma, and we have seen seat increment as well. So that will definitely push for a positive shift. Now we see the expected score that you need to have for getting a seat through Maharashtra State Counseling in government college. For radiology, you need to have a score between 580 to 590. You keep in mind, in a state Maharashtra State Counseling, the cutoff is high compared to other colleges due to more number of candidates gets qualified and the competition is high. For dermatology, you can expect to get a seat in 570 to 580 marks. General medicine, you need to have 560 to 570 marks. For pedia, you need to have same as general medicine. For orthopedics, the marks required for 540 to 550. General surgery, it's 520 to 530. Obs-gynae, you need to have between 530 to 540 marks. This is as per my calculation is expected cutoff, but you need to target little higher so that if you slip off, you land somewhere between these marks. For obs-gynae is 530 to 540, ENT 490 to 500, ophthalmology 510 to 520, anesthesia 490 to 500, and psychiatry 480 to 490 marks you need to have in order to get a seat through Maharashtra State Counseling in a pure government college. Okay, and if you are looking for expected cutoff score for some other branches, then depending on branches, you need to have, for clinical you need to have at least 480 to 500. So keep in mind. Now the marks required for private colleges semi-government seat this year 2021, you need to have for higher clinical around 500 to 550 because the cutoff goes high. For lower clinical, if you have marks between 450 to 500, you can expect to get lower clinical. set bigger target so that you sleep off, you land somewhere in the safe zone. There is one minority college that I have already discussed, is Muslim Minority College, where Muslim minority candidate come from Muslim community will definitely get benefit. I will tell you the tuition fee for private colleges. So there are three types of tuition fee based around three types of seats. Semi-government seat in private college, that is also called state CET cell quota seat. There the tuition fee is less, and for institutional quota the tuition fee is 3 times. For NRI seat the tuition fee is 4 times. For Bombay Hospital, Mumbai is the top medical college, and the tuition fee is very less, 4.6 lakhs only. KJ Swami Medical College, very good college, 8 lakhs. NKP Savale Nagpur, the tuition fee is 8 lakhs for semi-government seat. Dr. Vittal Rao Vikhe Patil Medical College, Ahmednagar, the tuition fee is 8.8 lakhs. It might get incremented this year, so it's as per the latest information available to us. MIMER Talegaon is 7.9 lakhs per annum. Dr. Basant Rao Pawar Medical College, Nasik, is 8 lakhs, and for institutional NRI quota is 3 times, 4 times subsequently. Yes, Kasi Bhai Navale Medical College, 10.55. Sanchiti Institute Pune is 9.15. Sanjeevan Medical College Miraj is 8 lakhs. Postgraduate Institute of Swasthya Yog Miraj is 11.15. SMBT Nasik 11.8. Ulas Patil Medical College Jalgaon 9 lakhs. Punjab Rao Deshmukh Medical College Amravati 9.65. MIMSR Medical College Latur 8 lakhs. Ashwini Solapur 9.5 lakhs. JIU Indian Institute of Medical Science Research Jalna is 10.25. Muslim Minority College Walawakar Chiplun Ratnagiri 10.25. ACPEM Medical College Dhule 8 lakhs. The tuition fee might get little bit of increment or change in this year. So you just consider this video. The day I have created this video, I have given the latest tuition fee. Government colleges will ask a tuition fee around 1 lakh and 4,000 of 4,000 of hostel fee per month. Stipend for government colleges in Maharashtra. If you talk about all the state government colleges, the stipend is 54,000 per month. For Tata Memorial, that is Central Government Medical College, 72,000 per month in first year, 74,000 per month in second year, and 76,000 per month in third year. ESI PGIMSR 58,000 first year, 58,000 across all the years. BARC, it provides you 72,000 in first year, 74,000 in second year, and 76,000 in third year. AIIPMR 81,000 in first year, 83,000 per month in second year, 85,000 per month in third year, and for all deemed university is between 50 to 55. So the stipend in Maharashtra is pretty handsome. Talking about service bond, you need to serve service of 1 year period in Maharashtra corporate or government hospital or institution, and the penalty in case you don't wish to serve, then you have to pay penalty of huge amount, 50 lakhs. Seat leaving penalty and discontinuation bond is 10 lakhs. In case you leave the seat in the middle, then you have to pay 10 lakhs as a penalty amount, and you won't be allowed to participate in Maharashtra State Counseling for next 2 years, subsequent 2 years. Category reservation. So there are so many categories and different categories compared to other states. A specific category in Maharashtra, scheduled caste, and scheduled caste converts into Buddhism. So scheduled caste, the reservation in government state quota government institute is 13%, and private colleges 6.5%. So the reservation is different in government and different in private colleges. For scheduled tribes, that is ST, 7% in government state quota institute and 3.5% in private colleges. For DTA, that is Vimukt Jati, is 3% in state quota in government institute and 1.5, that is 50%, in private colleges. For NTB is 2.5% in state quota government college and 1.25 in private colleges. NTC quota 3.5% in state government colleges and 1.75 in private colleges. NTD is 2% in state quota government institute and 1% in private colleges. For OBC category including SBC, that is total 19% in state quota government institute and 9.5% in private colleges. Total reservation in the state college is 50% including all the categories, and for general is 50% remaining seats. And in private colleges, total reservation is 25% and remaining seats for general category, and the way as per the regulation they distribute it. EWS seat 10% extra seats they add it for EWS category candidates if it's approved by MCI body. So MCI has to provide 10% additional seat out of total seats. They don't give 10% in the existing seat. Additional seat need to be given by MCI, then 10% reservation you will have. Now documents required for registration. Online downloaded application form of state NEET 2020, copy of downloaded NEET PG admit card, any other ID proof, Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, passport, copy of NEET PG, that is result or mark sheet, valid passport or SLC certificate, that you have MBBS degree certificate, internship completion certificate, permanent or provisional registration certificate of Maharashtra Medical College or other state wherever you come from. It doesn't have to mandatory by Maharashtra Medical Council. Certificate from head of institute showing that medical college or institute from which the candidate have passed MBBS is recognized by Medical Council of India. And medical fitness certificate and copy of receipt of online fee payment 3,000 and with late fee is 4,000. So this is the document you required. I have covered almost all the topics, and in case you feel that some of the things are missed, then you can comment us in the comment section. You can call us to avail our paid services on the number 9319128677. So thanks for watching, and if you're still with me in this video, then you are great, and you must have got so much of information in single video. You can pause the video at any moment and can take a screenshot also. So that's the purpose of creating the PPT, so that we can have reference. So thanks for watching guys, and have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.